Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Payoneer under review issue. First, understand that the Payoneer app sometimes reviews payments for security reasons. This is normal and helps prevent fraud. So, go ahead and check your email if Payoneer requested any documents related to the payment. They may ask for invoice contact or additional information about the transaction. Submit the requested documents as soon as possible. Make sure that your Payoneer account is fully verified and all your details are correct. Avoid logging in from different countries using VPN, as this can trigger security checks. Usually, the review process takes about a few business days. Once the review is complete, the payment will be released to your bank balance. That's how you fix the Payoneer payment under review. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and